Hello all, welcome to this session. There used to be a Chrome browser extension known as BugMagnet, which used to be used by a lot of software testers in the market. The software testers in the market, with the help of this BugMagnet Chrome browser extension, they used to test different applications. While testing the applications with the help of BugMagnet, they used to generate the data, for different fields, different data may be required. On the fly, they used to right click on the fields and, enter some data. If they have to enter the data manually into the fields for testing, that will take a lot of time. But with the help of Bug Magnet, it used to be different. Right click on the field and select some data and that data used to be inserted. But the problem here is now the Bug Magnet is dead. It's no more. If you go to the Google Chrome and search for the Bug Magnet, and you will see in the search results that, Bug Magnet Chrome extension is now disabled or something. Let me show you. First of all, let me show you where exactly it is. And in place of the Bug Magnet, we got something known as AutoDataFiller, okay, by selector sub. So can AutoDataFiller can take over Bug Magnet? Let's find it out in this session. So with that note, let's switch to the browser. Let's say this is a Chrome browser. Here I am going to search for, uh, Bug Magnet, first of all. Bug Magnet. When I Google search for Bug Magnet, in the search results, I got this bugmagnet.org. Click on this. And you see, Bug Magnet will be right like this. Bug Magnet names. It will auto-generate a lot of data for you while you are working on the fields. For example, you are Google searching. Right click here, Bug Magnet, and you can enter anything. Okay. A lot of data will be filled with the help of Bug Magnet without you manually entering the data into the fields while performing the testing. But let's find it out. Let's install Bug Magnet. Get on Chrome Web Store. When I say that, you see, this extension is no longer available because it doesn't follow best practices for Chrome extension. Okay, may or may not, it may come in the coming days, I don't know. But at this point of time, I'm not able to use Bug Magnet. So I got to know about some news in the market that uh, Selectors Hub team has introduced something known as Auto Data Filler. Let's see whether Auto Data Filler can take the place of this Bug Magnet and is it good or not. Let's find it out. Okay. So for that, since Bug Magnet I'm not able to install, I'll search for Auto Data Filler. Okay, like this I'll search. In the search results, you see selectorshub.com auto data filler has come. Click on this link. Once you click on this link, you see there is an option auto data filler, quick data, fill while exploratory testing and all. Free tool to fill the data in one click from context menu while doing exploratory testing or whatever the testing. Similar to the Bug Magnet only, it can fill the data into the fields. Instead of you manually entering the data while performing the testing, with the help of this autofill data, okay, auto data filler, you can enter the data into the fields and you can speed up your testing process. You can speed up your testing process while performing testing of those fields. Different type of data you can fill into the fields and then perform testing. Click on Add to Chrome. Once you click on Add to Chrome, here it will take you to the Google Chrome Web Store, Auto Data Filler. And this by selector sub, guys, you can find out a lot of information here and you can watch this video if required. You see selector sub logo is there. Click on Add to Chrome, then select Add Extension as a confirmation. Auto Data Filler has been added to the Chrome browser. So it got added here. Let me pin it so that I can directly access from here. Okay. It has this baby kind of icon. Okay, that's great. Yeah, Auto Data Filler. Now we got the Auto Data Filler installed in our browser. The next thing that I have to do here is, let me go to one application where I have to, let's say I will go to this tutorialsninja.com/demo application where I need to fill the data into the forms case. Okay, let me go to this application page. And from this, I'll click on the my account and I'll go to the register page where you will find a lot of information, a lot of fields here. Okay, let's try out this auto data filler now. So here, without this auto data filler, I need to enter the data by myself, like Arun, Motori. It will take a lot of time. If I remember, tomorrow I have to create another thing. I have to think about the name. Okay, I need to enter about Arun. Okay, like okay, like that. And I have to give an email address and all the stuff. Okay, so instead of that, what we can do here is to speed up this process of testing these fields with the different types of data. The test data will be provided by this auto Okay, it will be provided by this auto data filler. Okay, how simple? Go to the page where you have the fields, right click on the fields, and you will get this right click menu, auto data filler. Because you have installed this extension or plugin in this browser, you are getting this right click option only after, you'll only get this option after installing this extension in the browser. Now select the auto data filler, and here a lot of possibilities are there. You see, I'll go with this name, and in this name length is also there. Okay, what type of things you want and all, you can get it from here. Okay, different things will be there, guys. For example, I have to enter the name, right? So I'll take something from here. Then I'll take this one, million. Okay, it's not getting it. That's okay. Let's try other one. Uh, let's go with the name and name length. Stephen O. Okay, it came. Stephen O came. So I'll do one thing. This O I'll put into the last name, guys, and then email address. I'll right click here and auto data filler, and then let's go to the email address and go to the valid email address I want. Okay, valid email address. Simple email address do you want, or an okay kind of email address you want? Simple email address only I want. Okay, here just for the case I'll enter some data here. Okay, some number to make it unique, and then telephone number I need to enter. Right click here, go to the auto data filler, and here we have the numbers. In that, generally telephone number will have 10 numbers, right? Select one of the 10 numbers here. That's fine. I need to enter the password. Auto data filler, and simply go to the numbers. In this numbers, you can select one number. If you don't want to remember, you can 32767. Here also, again I'll go here and again select the number as same number I need to give into the password, and password 32767, and select this. And you see, I didn't enter any of this data manually, guys. Okay, once I have installed this auto data filler Chrome browser extension, Chrome browser extension, or Chrome browser plugin by selectors hub. You see, when I right click, I'll get all the data to be inserted. You see, these are just few fields, guys, but in real time testing, right, the application will contain a lot of fields. Every time you don't have to generate any data, guys. Okay, a lot of example sets of data are there, will be provided by this auto data filler. You don't have to get it from anywhere and copy here. Instead, directly right click in the application fields and get the data. Click on continue. The account will get created. Okay, the account need to get created with this email address and all. Let's wait for that confirmation. Account got created. Use a simple, guys, right? Simple. Okay, now if I want to search for a product, right click here, auto data filler. Okay, some invalid data I want to test. Okay, you see, when we are performing software testing, right? Okay, on the fields we have to perform positive testing and negative testing. A lot of things we have to perform testing. Okay, while performing the testing based on the field, we have to pass different type of data. It may be the data that I am filling into the fields may be contributing to the positive test cases or negative test case. It depends, right? For example, here I want to enter, let's say, some okay name length or something, or names, otherwise some data here. Okay, invalid product I want to enter. Click on search. You see, invalid, you see, this much amount of invalid data I have given. You see, the product name will not be this much size, but I can try it out. Okay, what is happening if I enter this much amount of data and searching, is it working or not, is correct or not, it should not allow or not. Okay, a lot of things will be there according to application to application. We have to think about that. Okay, so let's log out here and go to the register again, and here I want to enter an invalid telephone number. So here I can give different type of telephone numbers, like I can give zero sometimes and try to click on continue. And user telephone number must be between 3 and 32 characters is coming. That's great. Okay, there is a validation coming when I give zero there. What if I give something like numbers, and if I give something like 0 point something, click on continue, what is happening? You see what you see, dot. Okay, this kind of thing is considered as a telephone number, so you can report a defect here, like that, guys. For while performing the testing of this different functionalities of the application, we need to fill different type of data into the data which will contribute to the positive and negative test cases while testing an application into the respective fields, to speed up the process of filling the data and finding the defects faster or problems in the application faster. We can use this kind of extensions like auto data filler. Earlier, we used to have BugMagnet. I really like BugMagnet Chrome extension, guys. But unfortunately, when I go to the Chrome web store and search for the BugMagnet, I'm unable to install it. It's not supporting the latest Chrome browser version or something. But in place of that, we can actually use Auto Data Filler. Okay, which is kind of similar, guys. I have seen both the extensions and all. I have seen the same kind of thing. Okay, I've seen the same kind of stuff, same kind of functionality and all. Lot of test data is there for positive and testing the functionalities of the application in a positive and negative way by filling different type of data contributing to the positive and negative tests of the application. So hope guys, okay, hope guys, you got the idea like how to use auto data filler. I can say that, bug magnet, I don't know whether it is dead or not. Okay. At this point of time, when I go into the browser extension, I am not able to find the bug magnet and I'm not able to get it. But auto data filler, okay, by Selector Sub. Selector Sub is very good at bringing a lot of browser extensions for software testers. And, it maintains Chrome browser extensions a lot. Okay. This browser extensions a lot. So I have very good trust with Selector Sub because a lot of extensions there you see from the beginning of the days they have introduced a different type of extensions from selectorshub.com, that is selectors hub for auto generating the XPath expressions or CS selectors it may be, or a lot of other things. Okay, test case studio and okay, a lot of other things are there, guys. Like check links, performance load, page loader. Okay, like many extensions are there from the selector sub, and the company behind this Chrome browser, browser extensions is releasing this extensions, new extension in the market, and not only that, they are updating that according to the latest Chrome browser. They are not just developing and leaving it to the market; they're also working towards the success of them. Okay, and a lot of updates we are receiving, and know where these extensions browser extensions are getting deprecated or something, or outdated or something. Every time a browser version changes, the selector sub company is releasing updates for that so that these extensions are working. So I feel that auto data filler is a good choice at this point of time. So hope everyone will use auto data filler in your day-to-day projects, and you can save time while performing the testing. So that's all from my side. Thank you. Bye bye.